Still they are coming. Anybody has any doubt with respect to logical equivalence? So here in the logical equivalence, you will be having LHS and you will be having RHS. We need to prove that LHS equal to RHS. Yes, we need to prove LHS equal to RHS. How we are going to prove LHS equal to RHS? With the help of a truth table. With the help of a truth table, we are going to prove that LHS equal to RHS. So we have seen from two classes the logical equivalence. So today one day again we'll go ahead with this logical equivalence only. So the first problem is they have given some of the exercise questions. Okay, they have given some of the exercise questions. So we'll solve the exercise questions today. Okay, few I'll be solving. Again, few I'll be giving assignments later. Fine. Take down the first question. Same logical equivalence only. Okay, same logical equivalence only. So first, prove for logical equivalence. Question will be, of course, prove for. Please come on time. Prove for logical equivalence. We have solved from two classes this problems only. Today one day we will solve proof for logical equivalence only. Okay. Today one day we'll keep for that only. Tomorrow I'll start with the next topic. Fine. We'll practice today the same, that is logical equivalence only. Take the first question for today's class. First question. P. Consider the proposition P. Whether it is not visible or whether it is visible. Students, whether it is visible, raise your hands if it is visible. Okay, fine. So consider here the propositions, two propositions, that is proposition P and proposition Q. So proposition P, condition of negation Q. Proposition P, condition of negation Q, they are telling us to prove it should be logically equivalent to, okay, it should be logically equivalent to proposition Q, condition of negation P. Proposition Q, condition of negation P. I am going to repeat this problem again. Just see, proposition P. So proposition P, condition of negation Q is logically equivalent to condition Q, Q, condition of negation P. Next class, if you come late, I will not accept anybody. Hardly 5 minutes I will wait. Now only I am telling. Next class, quickly I am telling. If I send the link at 9 o'clock, up till 9:05 I will wait to accept. Or 9:06 or 9:07. More than that, I will not accept anybody. Whether I have to take class or do these things only. Okay, here two propositions. They have given proposition P, condition of negation Q is logically equivalent to Q, condition of negation P. We need to prove it should be logically equivalent with each other. So first and the foremost, what is the thing we need to concentrate? We need to see that whether how many propositions we have. We have here two propositions. It is proposition P and proposition Q. So consider here proposition P. Consider here proposition P, and here I have proposition Q. Consider the two propositions, proposition P and proposition Q. So how many combinations will be getting here? Obviously 4. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. So total of how many combinations I'll be getting here? Total of 4 different combinations I will be getting here. So finally what I require, first I will solve LHS. Okay, we need to prove what? We need to prove LHS equal to RHS. Yes, we need to prove what? LHS equal to RHS. So we need to prove LHS equal to RHS. So first I will go with the LHS, then I will solve the RHS. First, P condition of negation Q. LHS is what? P condition of negation Q. What is this P condition of negation Q? What we require? Negation Q. So first I need to solve negation Q. First I need to solve negation Q. Once I solve the negation Q, I will be getting P condition of negation Q. I will be getting P condition of negation Q. Whether this is not visible, I think some light. This is negation Q, okay, due to the reflection of light. I think this is okay. I'll write here if you want. P condition of negation Q. It is P condition of negation Q. Due to the light here, this part it is not visible. That's it. Okay. Fine. First I will solve these things. First is what here? I need to solve negation Q. First is negation Q. How we are going to solve? 0, 1, 0, 1. Here I have what? 0, 1, 0, 1. What I'll be getting? 1, 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0, 1 ada ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So negation ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? 0 ಇದ್ರೆ 1 ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, 1 ಇದ್ರೆ 0. Okay. Next, what we need to do? P condition of negation Q. We need to do what here? P condition of negation Q. Where is P? P is first column. Where is negation Q? Negation Q is third column. We need to do the condition of first column and third column. Now again condition truth table. I think till now everybody are perfect. Condition truth table PQ condition result in the 1101. Fix in your mind. It is 1101 for 2 combinations. 1101. Okay. Next, first we have P and negation Q we have 1. What is 0 and 1? It is 1. Still if anybody don't know, how to take this condition and all, write the truth table at the side. Better write the truth table at the side so that you will come to know. And somebody asked, I think day before yesterday, they asked me, ma'am, explain AND gate. Just go through the link. But still, if you are not following, I will explain. I said, she told that, madam, please explain the class. So by last 10 minutes, I will keep for that. Whoever have not followed conjunction or disjunction, just you can listen for this class. My voice is not audible. What is the problem today? Whether I'm audible now, students? Okay. 1 second, wait, I'm going to check my headphones and all. Okay. Fine. We'll continue with this problem. Okay, we'll continue with this problem. So what I have done? P, Q, negation P and condition. Condition is what? 0 and 1. 0, 1 means what? It is 1. Next, see here. You need to tell me or you need to correct me now. 0 and 0. 0 and 0. 0 condition 0, it is 1. 0 condition 0, it is 1. Next, 1 and 1. 1 condition 1 is definitely 1. 1 condition 1 is 1. Last, 1 condition 0 is 0. 1 condition 0 is 0. Next, we have completed what? We have completed the LHS part. We have completed the LHS part. Now, we need to complete what? RHS. No doubt what is there in the RHS? Q. Q condition. Where is Q? No doubt Q is directly present here. Condition of what is they have given? Negation P. Q condition of negation P. Q condition of negation P. We need to solve negation P first. So what is the negation P? P is what? 0, 0, 1, 1. Yes, P is 0, 0, 1, 1. So what I'll be getting negation P? Negation P I'll be getting 1, 1, 0, 0. If P is 0, 0, 1, 1, then what will be negation P? It will be 1, 1, 0, 0. Next, last we need to see what is our RHS result. We need to solve this Q condition of negation P. Okay, we need to see Q condition of negation P. So, I told you the very first class when I was explaining the condition, I just told you that P condition Q is not equal to Q condition P. And P condition Q, what I said you, it is 1101. Last result is 1101. Then what is Q condition P? Q condition P is 1011. I'll show you how it works. For example, if you consider, see here, considering two propositions P, Q, no doubt here they have given negation, don't worry. But it is like P, this is like Q. Here, this is Q, this is P. Don't imagine this to be P and Q. For example, consider three propositions P, Q are ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. ಆ ಟೈಮ್ ನಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ for example P condition Q is logical, we need to prove logically equivalent to Q condition R ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದನ್ನ P Q ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹೊರತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ P Q ಅದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಅದ. If you see here it is reverse. Reverse means what here? First Q acts like P. Q acts like what? P. Then negation P acts like what? Q. I will show you a truth table here. First consider Q, or else imagine this to be a proposition P. Proposition P, proposition Q, proposition Q condition P. I will take what? Q condition P. I am showing this truth table. What is this Q condition P? What is this Q condition P? Why I have taken first there is Q, then I have what? P. Now 0, 0 as usual, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. P condition Q is ಏನಂತ ತಗೊಂತಿದ್ವಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ 1, 1, 0, 1 ಅಂತ ಆಟೋಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೋತಿದ್ವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗದ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದ? Q condition P ಅಂತದ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ? 0, 0 ಫಸ್ಟ್ Q ತಗೋಬೇಕು. What is there here? First Q condition P. If Q then P ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು? If P then Q it was there. Whereas here what I have? First Q. So if Q then P ಅಂತ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So first is 0, 0. First take Q, then take P. So if 0 then 0 will be 1. Okay. Then notice here this point 1, 0. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು? P condition Q ನಾಗ 1, 0 ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ 0 ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತು. Yes or no? I'll write both for you people, or else you'll not be confused. Better I'll write both. For time being, I'll rub this. I'll write here both the truth table. Whoever is not following, just see here. I have P, I have Q. This is P condition Q, normal. Okay, this is normal, that is P condition Q. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Hang tagotidvi now directly 1, 1, 0, 1. This I think everybody till here at least you know. P condition Q directly I told you it is nothing but 1, 1, 0, 1. Next, I will solve Q condition P. I'll solve what? Q condition P. If you notice here P, idu P and P, idu Q. ಮತ್ತೆ places interchange, don't interchange the places of truth table. P will be P, Q will be Q. That's it. Again don't put madam Q first adalri illi ಈಗ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ Q ಹಾಕೋತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ P ನೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಪೋಸಿಷನ್, ಪ್ರಪೋಸಿಷನ್ P, ಪ್ರಪೋಸಿಷನ್ Q. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಗೆ, Q ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ P. Here I require that only now. Q condition P. As usual write down. As usual now write down 0 0. Wait a second, I'll adjust the camera. ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. 1 second sir, mute. Here I have what here? Proposition P, proposition Q. So proposition P and proposition Q as usual take down 4 combinations, that is 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 and 1. Okay, 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. So what was the logic here? What was the logic here? 0 0 1, 1 0, sorry, 0 0 1, 0 1 1, 1 0 was 0. Yes or no? When P is 1 and Q is 1, it was 0. Third condition. Whereas here, first was P was what? Here 1, Q 0. When one condition 0, when one condition 0 is there, then only we used to take 0. Yes or no? When one condition 0 was there, we used to take 0. So similarly here also, one condition 0 ಯಾವಾಗ ಇರ್ತದ, one condition 0 ಯಾವಾಗ ಇರ್ತದ, ಅವಾಗ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, 0. So what is there here? Q is what? Q is 1. When Q is 1 and P is 0, when Q is 1 and P is 0, take it as 0, rest all will be 1. Or in simple words to tell, P condition Q 1 1 0 1, Q condition P 1 0 1 1. ಈ ತರ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋತಿದ್ರೆ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಡಿ. But this is how the logic. If P is 1 and Q is 0, then it is 0. If Q is 1 and P is 0, it is 0. Rest all the cases will be 1. Okay, this is how you need to take the truth table. This I have explained while explaining truth table of logical connective. Fine. So now we will, what we require now? I require Q condition P. Q condition P ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು? 1 0 1 1. 0 0 is 1, 0 1 is 0, 1 0 is 1, 1 1 is 1. Okay, fine. I'll drop this truth table. I will solve the answers. We will see whether they are logically equivalent or no. Okay, this is negation P. Okay, this is negation P. So Q condition of negation P. Q condition of negation P. Where is Q? Q is in the second column. Q is in the second column. Negation P. Where is negation P? Negation is in this column. Okay. So first, Q is what? Second column. Concentrate. Negation P is what? This column. Fine. Now first, 0 and 1. Q is 0 and P is 1. Q is 0 and P is 1. It is definitely 1. Next, Q is 1 and P is 1. 1 1 1. Q is 0 and P is 0. It is 1. Last, Q is 1 and this is 0. It is 0. 1 1 1 and 0. Q is 1. Concentrate the last step. Q is 1 and P is 0. It is nothing but 0. So now compare. LHS equal to RHS. LHS is what? 1 1 1 0. RHS is what? 1 1 1 0. So by this truth table, what we came to know, that LHS equal to RHS. That LHS equal to RHS. Hence they are logically equivalent with each other. Hence they are logically equivalent with each other. Followed everybody? Followed everybody? Just raise your hands. Okay. We'll solve another type of a problem. Raise down your hands. Again, same proof for logical equivalence only. Last 10 minutes I'll be explaining conjunction and disjunction. Whoever has not followed, once again I'll glance today and OR get. Last 10 minutes, okay? Okay, now take the another type of a problem. P disjunction Q. Take the second problem. P disjunction Q. P disjunction Q. P disjunction Q. It should be logically equivalent to. Should be logically equivalent to negation of. See here. Negation of. Again negation P. Conjunction of negation Q. Copy this correctly, whoever are copying. So P disjunction Q should be logically equivalent to negation of negation P conjunction of negation Q. 1 second. Fine, we'll continue. Okay. What I was telling? Okay, we were solving a problem of P disjunction Q should be logically equivalent to negation of negation P conjunction of negation Q. So we will see whether it is logical LHS equal to RHS. So how many propositions are there here? There are totally 2 propositions, that is proposition P and proposition Q. So first I'll put the truth table, proposition P and proposition Q. Just draw the line here. Proposition P and proposition Q 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. First I will solve the LHS, then I will go with the RHS. Okay. Excuse me. P conjunction Q. P disjunction Q, it is not conjunction, it is P disjunction Q, it is 0 1 1 1. Directly you can write this P disjunction Q. Now I will go with the RHS. First I'll solve the inner bracket, whatever is there in inner bracket, then I will do the negate of a result. First, this chain break namaga, negation, I require negation P, then I require negation Q. Negation P, negation Q, then I require, then I need to solve what here? Negation P, conjunction of negation Q. Negation P, conjunction of negation Q. Finally, whatever is the result, I need to negate. Negate of negation P, conjunction of negation Q. Okay, negate of negation P, conjunction of negation Q. Now we'll see this. First is negation P. What is negation P? P. 0 0 1 1. I need to negate. I will be getting 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. Then I have your negation Q. Q is what? 0 1 0 1. If I negate, what I'll be getting? 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. Then negation P conjunction of negation Q. Negation P conjunction of negation Q. Conjunction, okay, it is like a AND operation. Conjunction is AND operation. Disjunction is what? OR operation. Fine. Okay. Now I will solve here. It is a conjunction. Okay, they have given here conjunction. 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0. Sorry, 0 0 is 0. 0 0 is 0. Fine. Now I have got the result here. What is this? I have got the inner bracket. That is negation P conjunction negation Q. I have got this. ಈ result ಏನ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಇದರದ್ದು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ ಅವ್ರು ನಮ್ಗ negate the complete result. Negate this column. Where is this column? This. Whatever we have solved out, we need to negate this. If it is 0 1, negate it to 0. I think you are getting this. 1 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 0. If it is 0, put it here 1. Again 0 1 0 1. So what I have got here? 0 1 1 1. Now see whether LHS equal to RHS. LHS what I have got? 0 1 1 1. 0 1 1 1. Whereas RHS is equal to whether RHS equal to what I've got? 0 1 1 1. Yes. So this is equal to this. So LHS equal to RHS, hence they are LHS equal to RHS, hence they are logically equivalent with each other. They are logically equivalent with each other. Followed everybody? Followed everybody this problem? Raise your hands today. Okay. Fine. So I'll just glance the other 10 minutes is their last. I'll just glance the conjunction and disjunction for those who have not followed. Whoever has not attended the first classes, for those I'll just repeat. Okay. Okay. Fine. So basically, as we had in the gates, we had 3 types of basic gates like NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate. Similarly, here also in our discrete mathematical structures, we are having 3 types of basic operations. One is negation, one is disjunction, another one is the conjunction. Negation is what here? So there we used to directly put the truth table values and we used to solve. Whereas here we need to consider the proposition. Proposition andre eno? Basically it is a statement. One statement ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, whether it is true or false ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. But whenever we solve the example, statement ಏನ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, P Q ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? P ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, Q ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಡಿಕ್ಲರೇಷನ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, simple Bangalore is in Karnataka. Okay. Then we say that Karnataka is in India. These are declarations whichever we give. For example, x plus 2 is equal to x plus 2 is equal to something. Whether it is a proposition or not? No. Why? Because we don't know what is x. How will declare? We don't know what is x. How will declare? So whichever statement which looks like proposition, which look like declaration, declare. For example, I declare today is holiday. Move it. No other changes. This is what proposition. So, but while solving in our subject, they will not statement ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, but they will give like proposition P, proposition Q. You need to apply the logical connectives and you need to solve the truth table. Similarly we used to solve in our digital logic. No, ಅದೇ ತರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, here basic operations ಯಾವವು? 3 ಅಂದಿನ. One negation, one conjunction, one disjunction. Negation is what here? Negation, it is similar to what? NOT gate. Negation is similar to what? NOT gate. NOT gate andre ಏನಂತ ಓದಿವಿ ನಾವು? DL ಲಾಗ negate ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Like 0 ಇದ್ರೆ 1 ಇರ್ತದ, 1 ಇದ್ರೆ 0. Similarly ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ, for example, if I tell Bangalore is in Karnataka, this is one proposition P. negate this anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. negate ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Bangalore is not in Karnataka. This is negation. ಈ ತರ statements ನು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. given statements, for example, she XYZ was the first woman prime minister of India ಅಂದ್ಕೊಟ್ರೆ XYZ was not the first woman prime minister of India. ಏನೇ ಕೊಟ್ರು not ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. So this is negation. So it is represented as like this. Reverse L ಬರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ತರ reverse. Second, conjunction. Conjunction ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Similar to and gate. Conjunction is similar to what? And gate. And gate ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? For example, consider two preposition PQ. Then symbol ಏನು? What is the symbol of this? Cap. Cap is nothing. Don't be confused with this. Cap is nothing but conjunction. And next V. V ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Disjunction. Cap conjunction. Remember. Then V disjunction. I have remembered like that. It is better if you remember. So P cap Q. P conjunction Q. So what is actually AND gate? What does AND gate logic tells here? When I take 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. AND gate logic basically ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತದ? AND gate logic basically tells the result will be 1 when both the values, when both propositions P and Q are 1, then only the result will be 1, whereas for rest all cases it will be 0. That is actually basic logic of our AND operation. What is the AND operation tells? When both the values, it can be a variable. Allenantidvi variable A, variable B antidvi. Illen tagobek ನಾವು proposition P, proposition Q anta tagobek. When these two values are 1 and 1, then only the result will be 1, whereas for other cases it will be 0. This is basic conjunction and AND operation. It works similar to AND operation. Then what is all about disjunction? Coming to another type of gate, it is nothing but what here? Disjunction. Disjunction, how it is represented? It is represented with V. Disjunction, it is similar to the OR operation. It is represented with V. I'll show here only. Disjunction antandre I'll represent it with the V. What does the disjunction says or OR operation says? If any one value in a variable or if any one proposition is true, then the complete result will be true. If both the propositions are false, then only it will be false. If any one proposition is also true, if any one proposition is true, then it will be true, whereas rest is what? 0. Basic culture new. AND operation or operation to basic culture new last time. So this is, but names are changed. Il conjunction or disjunction antivi ashte. But the concept is same here. Conjunction 0, 0, 0, 1. Here disjunction is 0, 1, 1, 1. Yavadadu 1, 1 ittandre mugita. It is true. True and false antino. True values and false values. What is the meaning of true? In this subject, very important, we will be studying truth value antand othtive now. What is actually truth value? What is the definition of truth value? Truth value is nothing but it tells whether a given proposition is true or false. Truth value andre true ne irbeku hangenilla. It can be false, but it tells what is the originality. For example, if I ask me truth, I will judge properly which student is good, which student is bad. I will not do any partiality. That is what I am truth. I give justice for my job. Hanga. Yaar chalo ottara, okay. Yaar who will not study bad, I'll group. I don't do any of partiality among the students. Similarly, here also truth value is what? Truth value basically says the given proposition. Yavadadru irbodu. Proposition P irbodu, Q, R, S. Eshtu kon propositions irbodu. Given proposition is true or false. True idre true anta ಹೇಳ್ತದ, true idre truth value 1 ಇರ್ತದ, false idre truth value 0 ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತದ. So basically there we studied only two values, 0, 1. Here also we have only two values, 0 and 1. Either truth or either false. ಎರಡರಾಗ ಒಂದು ಆಗ್ಲೇಬೇಕು. How ಯಾರು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ? truth value ಎಂಬುದು ಆ ವರ್ಡ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. For example, if I ask P disjunction Q, what is the truth value? Truth value of when P is 0, when Q is 0, the truth value is 0. When P is 0, when Q is 1, truth value is 1. When P is 1, when Q is 0, truth value is 1. When P is 1, Q is 1, truth value is 1. So this final result what will take? Either 0 or either 1 based on the logic. It is nothing but truth value. Followed everybody? We'll end this session. Followed everybody? Just raise your hand. Okay, fine. Fine. Everybody didn't raise the hand. Wait for a minute. I'll just take the attendance. Be online for 2 minutes. Be online for 2 minutes. I'll just take the screenshot. One second. Be online.